In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Google Drive using your phone and then share the link with someone. The steps I'm showing are for Android, but the process is very similar if you're using an iPhone or iPad. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use. Once the app is open, you'll see your Drive home screen, where all your files and folders are stored. To upload a video, look for the plus button, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the plus button, and the menu will appear with options like Folder, Upload, and Google Docs. Select Upload from this menu. After tapping Upload, your phone's file manager or gallery will open, allowing you to select the video you want to upload. Navigate to the video you want, tap on it, and the upload will begin. Depending on your internet speed and the video size, this could take a few moments. You'll see a progress bar or notification indicating that the upload is in progress. Once the video has finished uploading, you'll find it in your Drive home screen. Now, to share it, tap on the 3 vertical dots next to the video file. A menu will pop up with several options. Select Share from this menu. Here, you'll see a few ways to share your video. You can enter the email addresses of people you want to share it with directly, or you can get a shareable link by tapping Copy Link. If you choose to copy the link, you can then send it via any messaging app, email, or social media. Before sending the link, it's important to check the permissions. By default, anyone with the link can view the video. You can tap on the permissions option to change it if you want. You can allow people to just view the video, comment on it, or even edit it if it's a shared project. Choosing the right permission ensures your video is shared safely and according to your needs. Once you've copied the link and confirmed the permissions, you can simply paste it into a chat, email, or any other app to share it. That's all there is to it. Uploading a video and sharing it on Google Drive using your phone is quick and straightforward. And as mentioned, the steps are almost identical on iOS devices as well.